Welcome back to this video. If you use Google Meet on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply add multiple number in your Google Meet. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Meet. I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on change your number. Then you'll be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add a new number. Then right here, choose your country code and enter the new mobile number right here. Having entered the mobile number, next thing you need to do is simply click on continue, and an OTP will be sent to the number, and it will, once you receive the OTP code, enter the code and confirm the verification. Once you've confirmed the verification, the number will be added to your Google Meet account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.